Hello friends, welcome back to Vue.js tutorial. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to install Vue with your application. So you can see this is the official documentation, and here you can see the quick start. Actually, to use Vue.js, we have two options basically. One is using in npm, or you can use Vue.js for large application, and for small application if you want to create, then you can directly use CDN. Okay, so basically in this series we are going to discuss about with for large project means we will install through the npm and will use as a project, will use as a framework. And in this video actually we are going to discuss about how to use CDN. Okay, and from tomorrow we will discuss with the global installation of Vue.js. Okay, so let's, here you can see we have created a blank folder Vue tutorial, and this is the Visual Studio Code for editing purpose. Here I just going to create a file like index.html. Here we will simply use the Vue.js CDN. Okay, so just use the HTML broiler template, and here we can write Vue.js with CDN, and here write the same things with div, or you can write as h1 and Vue.js with CDN. So just go here and let's open this with the browser. Okay, great. Vue.js with CDN. So just open the inspect element section, and here we can see the console. This is the output we will going to create. Okay, so now here we need to use the CDN. So to use CDN, basically we need to use this link. This is the CDN link, and here just copy this and just paste it inside your application before the head section closed. Okay, and here using CDN we don't need to install your applications, and it's great for testing Vue.js. Actually, if you just go here I just going to create a div, and suppose my div name is app. Okay, and here we just going to create a Vue.js applications, and we are just going to render the section into these app sections. So for this, inside the script section we need some things, means we just going to use the create app sections, and here this is the ID. Whatever we will write in the script section, it will mount into the app. So this is the basic structure, means inside the script we will write the Vue.js code, and whatever we will write, all the things will go into the app sections. All right, now simply I just created a create app sections, and here we can write in this way, means suppose just use the data functions, and inside the data we can write hello world. This is the message, this is the variable you can see. So this is the Vue variable. So all the things we need to define in the data section. So from the data section we are returning message, and we are writing something hello world. And here in the template section, this is the part from where we can access, or simply you can close this, and this message we can render from here. So instead of these things we can write here inside the app, whatever will get or whatever will initialize into these sections, we can access from this app div. Okay, now if you just go and check, you can see the output. So hello world. So this hello world actually coming from here. This is the variable. If you want to create another things, means suppose we just going to write anything like h3, and here we just going to write the heading part. Okay, simply write heading And way to create this type of variable, so simply just declare in this way heading 3, and here write this is heading 3. So all the things we can declare from here, and all the variables we can add with a comma separated, and this is actually the JSON type. That the reason actually we need to use the colon for key and value. So simply just go here and you can see this is heading 3. These things are actually for a small project, means if you're going to create a large application, you don't need to use this. Actually this will not work in this way. For your existing application, suppose you want to integrate some part to your application, that time it's help, but it's not good to start. Actually from next day we are going to start with the basic installations. Okay, so this is the way we can use the Vue CDN to use the Vue. Okay, so this is all about things, and we are not going to discuss about this CDN related things. We will use the full phase Vue application from upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.